Hello guys, after creating that Git repository we have here, we need to add commits. How we can add commits? Why we add commits? We add commits to describe the change and the modification we are going to create. We just simply write git commit /m, and then here we write our commit. For example, my first Git project. It's important to write the commits in the way that understandable and give a good review of what you are doing. For example, it's better to write it like this: add my new hello world to my first project. It's better. But now let's go with this. It's the practice that you are going to do. After adding the commit, it's going to show us one file added, one file changed, one intersect. You can see all the commits you created by writing git log. You see it's pretty amazing. It gave us the author and the Gmail. You know who do the changes and how to contact with the change maker, and also the date of the change, the exact time of the change, and the reason for the change. It's very important to know why, who, when, where the change appeared. It's very important. You can use it very well. And after setting changes, when you write git status, it's going to show us no branch master, nothing to commit, working curriculum. What does it mean? It means that you documented all the changes you made. It means that all the things from here, it's given a snapshot, and you have all the things, and you can recover them whenever you want. You can recover this exact moment, and there is no new file or anything else that we don't create it. Okay, I hope you understand it very well. I tell you, this is a crash course. We are not going to be very specific about these numbers also or anything else. We are going to just learn them by now. I hope you enjoy it. Have a nice time.